In this video, we are going to walk you through on how to create a new liquidity pool on SynFutures. Please note that you can only create pools that aren't currently available on the platform. To add liquidity to existing pools, please check out our tutorial on how to add liquidity. To begin with, go to synfutures.com and launch the beta of the app that is located on the top right corner. While you are at it, bookmark it to save some time for your future use. Then, connect your MetaMask wallet and select a network. Currently, we support Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, and Arbitrum. We'll be using Polygon for this tutorial. Next, click Pool from the top menu bar and click Create Pool, which is located in the upper right corner. From there, select a base asset with a quote asset for your pool. In this video, we will be using Matic as the base asset and wrapped ETH as the quote asset. Click on Maturity and pick out a date for when you want to settle the contract. Now click Create, and you will be directed to your MetaMask wallet for confirmation of the transaction. To complete the steps, you will need to add liquidity to initiate your pool. Click Initialize Pool, and you will be presented with a new interface where you can see the pool you have just created, followed by initial price of your quote asset showing on the left. Enter the quantity of liquidity you would like to add to initiate the pool. Then adjust the leverage ratio based on your preference by dragging the slider below. For demonstrations, we will add $100 worth of wrapped ETH assets at 2x leverage. You can see the amount of LP tokens you will be available to receive from this contract. Now click Initiate and add liquidity. Confirm your transaction on your MetaMask wallet and voila, you have just created your first pool. You can check out all of your pools under My Pools on SynFutures. Remember to check back when reaching the end of the maturity period for your new pool to avoid any unnecessary loss. To remove your liquidity, simply press the minus button on the right of the pool you want to remove. Choose the percentage of shares you would like to remove and click Remove Liquidity before confirming a transaction on MetaMask. And now you know how to create a pool on SynFutures. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our video on how to add liquidity to the existing pools next, with a more detailed step-by-step guide on the process.